With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is that select the incorrect option regarding the given figure. D is the parietal lobe which registers sensory perception. A is the occipital lobe which decodes and interprets the visual information. B is the temporal lobe which is associated with the memory and emotion, or C is the cerebellum which controls the muscular activity here, right? So let's see the answer now. So the first is D. So D is the parietal lobe here, right? So the brain has certain lobes here, and D is the parietal lobe which is at the back side, and it is the one which registers the sensory perception, right? So it is the sensory in nature. It makes us to sense the things here, right? Now if we talk about the B here, so B, it says that B is the temporal lobe which is associated with the memory and the emotion here, right? Yes, B is the temporal lobe of the brain here, and it is associated with the memory and the emotion, right? Now if we talk about the C here, so C here represents the cerebellum, and cerebellum is the one which controls the muscular activity of an individual here, right? So this is also true here. And if we talk about A here, so A is the occipital lobe which decodes and interprets the visual information. So this is wrong here, because the A here represent is the frontal lobe, because this is the lobe which is on the front side, right? So A is the frontal lobe here and not the occipital lobe, right? So the occipital lobe is the one which controls the and decodes the interpret the visual information here. So if we talk about the frontal lobe here, so this is responsible for the cognitive functions, right? So it controls the cognitive functions, and it is involved in the control of the voluntary movements, right? Voluntary actions, or we could say the voluntary movements, they are controlled by the frontal lobe here. So the incorrect option is option second.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.